There are over 2 million different animal species. Not all of them are friendly, as we often see. These are the scariest animal encounters I could find on the internet. To watch from the safety of your own habitat. Grab your snack and enjoy.
Get back.
You can see the cat's posture by the laid-back ears. It was obviously in attack mode. I can't believe you even waited that long to shoot. Joe did good, and he kept yelling "rah" and used his finger and toes to make it run away. He can truly say he fought a bear with just his hands. Everything came out running in the end. This man thought it was a fish until it popped its head. It's a jaguar. If you ever come across a rhino while driving, and they start to charge you like this one, you better have your reverse game in order. Lucky for us, this driver can drive in reverse and hold a camera at the same time. The bear checked out those stairs for a second. I don't know who's braver, him or the cameraman. This one's a harmless creature. It doesn't bite. If you live where snakes can eat vans, it's time to move. Alligator attack while swimming.
Olha lá. Pegou, o cara pegou ele. Nossa, pegou o braço dele. Perigo. Machucou o braço aí?
No trespassing bulls, private property. Bro said move. That was death coming after him. Look at the tiger's face. The guy's recording his death. I'm sure it was scary, but I'm with the elephants on this.
Caballo o perro guardián para que os servirá mejor.
¡Qué droguito, vale! ¡Hue puta, caballo! ¡Hey, caballo viejo! ¿Lo mordió? ¿Lo mordió? Pedazo de playo, pero ¿cómo va a venir un leño o algo?
¿Ah?
Un leño, para que le des, hijo de puta. Sí, pero ¿cómo se le va a quedar así de fácil?
No creas eso. No es.
Yo lo estaba grabando, man. Esto que sí lo estaba grabando.
Whoa. I can't let this guy go because he will mess me up. Man, this guy's gonna wrap me up easily, but as long as he doesn't get those coils over my hand. Oh. This guy is beefy, man. Oh.
Well, there you have it, guys. If you enjoyed today's video, drop a like and subscribe. Press on another video you see on the screen right now to watch another video just like this one, and I'll see you over in that video.